What's up, guys? My name is Nevis, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Nevis's Imagination, where we have my brand of original fun and none of the boring stuff. Now, let's not waste any time. Today, we are going to be having some fun with the biggest potato cannon ever built by myself. I call it the Boomstick. It's my longest potato cannon in my collection, and today, on top of having a potato in here, we are loaded up with some hard gumballs. And we are going to be taking a shot at our target, Mr. Barbecue, right there today. So, let's do this, folks. It's go time. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here we go. Put on our safety glove. All right, Mr. Barbecue, prepare to meet your maker. Oh, wow. That was awesome. All right. All right, guys. I only brought 2 potatoes with me today. We're going to finish up the video by taking one more shot point blank on Mr. Barbecue right there. All right. All right, Mr. Barbecue. First, meet your maker. All right. Got him. Nice. All right, guys. I actually found one more potato. So before we end off the video, we have to do at least one more point blank shot on Mr. Barbecue with our biggest potato cannon in my collection. All right. All right, guys. This is it. The grand finale. Hey, get out of the way. Stop. Oh, yes. That was awesome. All right.